Hello, everyone. My name is Will Chung, CEO and co-founder of ContextSmith. We turn B2B emails into actionable data. Where's the clicker? So prior to founding this company, I was the head of customer success at a Sequoia-backed startup. I helped build a company from 5 employees to 60. And as we grew, the company communication with the customer looked something like this. Multiple people from multiple departments touch a single customer, all through emails. And it became impossible to keep track of what's going on with the customer. Our marketing department called up a customer asking for a case study, only to find that the account has been escalated through a different channel, a direct email to our VP of sales. And to make matters worse, the most critical time of the customer's life cycle, the first 90 days, is when we can determine whether a customer will churn or not, is also the biggest blind spot, because in a high-touch customer deployment, everything goes through emails. There's a lot of project management, a lot of people involved to deploy a complex software. Everything goes through emails. It's basically a black box. And to make matters worse, right, email is actually growing rapidly. The number of apps sending emails are growing even more rapidly. We actually use 5 of these in my old companies. And this is why we founded ContextSmith, because we organize every single touch point in front of customers. It doesn't matter if it's an email from the system, or an email from the user, or email from any department. We put them all in one place, and we organize them into a structured project stream, a structured stream of communications, broke down by each of these customers. And with this kind of visibility, there's no blind side between the different departments within the organization. There are no blind sides, even within the own project team, the large project deployments. The best part is there's nothing to install. Users just use emails the way they always use. We sit on the server level, and we monitor and track the email communication back and forth between the customer and the organization. And we apply several technologies on top of these email data that we track. The first one is an artificial intelligence that will automatically structure these unstructured inboxes into streams of communications. But the real intelligence comes in when you work with companies like Accenture or a third-party law firm during contract negotiation, right? All of these third-party companies working with your customers all automatically added to the project stream. And second, we actually use natural language processing to look at the content of the email and understand the email and deliver the alerts to these customers at the right time with context. We also realize that all the departments have their own system of record, and we want to integrate with them. The first, we're going to land in professional services and customer success teams, because that's where the biggest blind spot is, all these project management, a lot of coordination happening. But we're going to soon expand to all the other customer-facing teams, such as sales and marketing. So now you have a coordinated, unified way of interacting with your customers. The team that's going to execute on this is myself. I helped close $1 million in sales in my last company. And my co-founder, Richard, sitting in the back over there, he is a PhD in natural language processing. We've been friends since middle school, actually, so I didn't just find him down the street at a cafe 10 minutes ago. And we rolled out a beta in April. We have 12 trials running. We analyzed 350,000 emails so far, increasing every single day. And we have $500,000 worth in pipelines. We're raising money right now to crank up our outbound sales. We have 0 outbound so far. And we're going to help close some of these customers and help them get a unified interaction with their customers. Thank you.